Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add blocks to the X-ray resource pack. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you want to head to curseforge.com right here. And you need to go to this resource packs tab here in Minecraft. And it should be the first link here. I will leave a link to this page in the description. So next thing you want to do, you need to go to Files. And you can press fuel, and then select your game version if you're playing on a version other than 1.19. I'm just gonna download the latest version, but it should be similar for all versions. Now you should have it downloaded. Alright, so you need to go to where you downloaded it. So for me it's in File Explorer and should be in the download section. So now what you need to do is click on View. Make sure you have these two boxes checked since they will be important. Righty, so make sure you have the mod that you want here or anywhere you want to. Make sure it's nearby. So now, and also unzipped. Don't know how to unzip, I'm about to show you. So click on the file here and then extract all and then press extract. Wait for you to extract and I'll see you once it's extracted. Alrighty, so now we've extracted the resource pack. Click on it and yeah, so in assets there should be a lot of folders right here. So now you want to go to over here where your mod is, mod that you want to add. I'm just going to use Funnel Access Amphibia for this tutorial. Go to assets and right here that's the mod identifier, so click on that. Then it should be in the models file and in the block file. Alrighty, so here are all the models for all the blocks. So I'm just gonna grab Laxium, copy that, and also remember this file. So the mod identifier is called Funlax's Amphibia. Now we go back to the X-Ray Ultimate pack. Go to assets and see here it will not be here, so you need to create a new folder. Create a new folder and call it Funlax's Amphibia or the mod identifier. So now you want to go in there and just copy that path, which was what I'm going to do. Right, so once you've copied that folder, the file path, Now what you want to do is you want to paste the JSON file that you copied, the all JSON. Now, you know that mods like Pixelmon, it does have a different all path. So here in blocks, it would have like another file like all, and that's where all the alls would go. But this, but for Funlex's Amphibia, it's just the normal file path. So now that you've done that, should be now that you've done that, you need to click on that. Right click on it and open with. You should open it with Notepad, or that's what I'm going to do at least. You can use this like Notepad or like other text editors. So now click on that, and here it might be a little confusing. So here where it says block/cube underscore all, replace the cube with solid, and that's it. Just save it, and you should be good to go. Now I'll just put this in my where all the resource packs should go, and I'll catch up with you back then. Okay, so now we're here in Minecraft. So let's now let's enable the resource pack that we just made. So put that in, and there might be a warning that it doesn't use this, that it's incompatible with this version, but just ignore that. Just press OK, and now let's enable it. Alrighty, so we now can enable the resource pack, and let's grab the ore that we just put in. So I put in Maxim, so there we go. Now we can put that down and cover it up in blocks. And now you should be able to see, you can see through the blocks now. To mention how to download this X-ray pack or an X-ray pack for Bedrock Edition. What you want to do is you want to come to MCPEDL and type in X-ray here on the side, and it should be the first link. So you want to click on that and just wait for it to load. And now come down over here to where it says downloads. Don't download this pack since that's for RTX, which is only for computers. Download this one, but I won't be showing you how to download this video, and I'm putting it on and all that. Just read this. Pause the video if you want. Just read all this, and this is all for because it might be a little blurry. So download this, and there should be some installation guides up here, and they should work on like PC, mobile, maybe some consoles. I'm not sure, but all that. Don't forget to join the X-Ray Pack Discord, which I will be there answering questions, all that stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.